What if we replaced our moon with every planet in the solar system? The night sky is about to get terrifying. First up, Mars. Swapping the moon for the red planet gives us a glowing, rust-colored marble twice as large as normal. Then, Venus. Nearly the size of Earth, its thick clouds reflect so much sunlight it would literally turn our night into bright twilight. Then comes Neptune. 14 times larger than the moon, it sits as a terrifyingly beautiful, deep sapphire blue gas giant. Next, Uranus. It would look absolutely massive, hanging like a featureless, pale cyan cosmic eyeball staring right back at us. Then there's Jupiter. It's so massive it completely swallows the horizon, looking 40 times wider than the moon. You'd watch violent storms rage in real time while its closest moons drift past like tiny dust motes. Finally, Saturn. The planet itself is a golden giant, but its magnificent rings would stretch completely from horizon to horizon. They'd arch over our world like a glowing cosmic canopy, reflecting so much light that true darkness on Earth would cease to exist. Which one would you want to look up at?